Formatting options in the alignment group. Hello there. Today we are going to learn about the various formatting options available in the alignment group in Excel. Let's first launch the Excel 2016 application and open a worksheet. Here is a worksheet with some data. In Excel, all text entries are aligned to the left and number entries are aligned to the right by default. The alignment group provides options to change the alignment, orientation, and indentation of data inside a cell. Let us understand this by applying different options to the text in the cell A1. To change the vertical alignment of the text, select the cell and click the Top Align, Middle Align, or Bottom Align options in the alignment group. Observe the changes in the alignment. To change the horizontal alignment of the text, click the Align Left, Align Center, or Align Right options. We can also rotate the text at different angles inside the cell using the orientation options. When the orientation option is selected, a drop-down menu appears. We can then choose a desired option. Observe the orientation of the text as we select each of these options. Vertical text, angle counterclockwise, angle clockwise, rotate text up, and rotate text down. Besides orientation, we can also change the indentation of the text. By indentation, we mean the distance between the text and the boundary of the cell. This distance can be increased or decreased by clicking on these options. We can also change the way the text is displayed. If the text is long, select it and click on Wrap Text. The text is wrapped up in multiple lines in the same cell. We can also combine two or more cells. For this, select the cells and click on Merge and Center. Merge and Center is used to merge the cells with the contents center aligned. Merge Across or Merge Cells is used to simply merge cells, and the content will not be arranged in the center. We can split the merged cells by clicking on Unmerge Cells. We now know the different options available in the alignment group. Do explore these options in your lab sessions. Thank you.